Hello, my friends. Today you will see a presentation of the iPhone 28
Get ready to
Pro
step
Max
into the future
Ultra.
with the
Just
iPhone
look at this.
28 Pro Max
Wow,
Ultra.
it's really
Let's take
huge.
a look at the insane features this
Amazing,
futuristic powerhouse has to
Just
offer.
we have
Then
cameras.
there's the 12 cameras combo.
Wow.
The 1000x Ultra Zoom brings the
1000
tiniest
zoom,
details right
like
to your
a
eyes.
spy
And if you're
satellite,
into pool,
and
snooker mode helps you line up those
Look at
perfect
this
shots.
snooker mode, guys. Wow,
see-through things?
X-ray
Try the
scanner,
X-ray scanner.
like an
And at the same
airport.
time, the mind reader AI could just be reading
Wow,
your thoughts.
mind reader,
Talk about next level
artificial
tech.
intelligence.
Practical tools? The 1:1 ruler mode lets you measure anything precisely.
Wow, excellent.
While the
A
Home
ruler
Assistant
mode
turns your
and
phone into a smart
home
helper around
assistant.
the house. For gamers, Game Mode is right here to turn
Game
your
mode.
phone into the ultimate PlayStation.
Like my TV.
Next up, 15G connectivity promises blazing speeds.
Wow.
Bye-bye.
15G.
Feeling a little unsafe?
Self-defense.
Flip to self-defense mode
It's
for
very
peace of mind.
important. Self-defense is good.
The iPhone 28 Pro Max Ultra, a device
And
that
of
goes
course,
beyond
phone
imagination.
mode, yeah.
And when it's time to stay focused,
Beautiful,
Meeting Mode has you
beautiful.
covered, keeping
Meeting
everything
mode.
professional. And for the ultimate
Pro
gaming
gaming.
experience, there's
big,
Pro Game
like
Mode,
my
a dream for
appetite.
every serious gamer. Oh, and don't forget, it still
modern
functions as a regular
technology.
phone.
Yes,
But way
beautiful.
cooler than anything we know
Such
today.
beautiful. Wonderful, just wonderful. Stay tuned, goodbye.
Security system status offline. Security system status offline.
Yeah, but that's it. Up.